Hi students, today we are going to see the same concept, third concept, and today is the last class for this concept as well as last class for this chapter also, right? So the last concept is something about conversion of one solid to another, right? I already told you that we are having three model of sums are there in this concept, right? So first concept is nothing but equating the both the volumes. Volume of one solid is equal to volume of another solid, right? Second model is nothing but number of solid is equal to total volume by each volume, right? The third concept is nothing but water flowing, right? Water flowing at the rate of some speed. So for this much of time, how much, right? How much of water, right? How much volume of water can fill this tank? This is the third model type of a sum, right? This is the third model type of a sum, right? So before seeing this sum, right, we need some notes, right? Some hint. First, note down that hint. That is very important. There is a formula, right? There is a hint. First, note down that hint. After that, we will see this sum, right? Note. So note 1000 centimeter cube, right? Volume centimeter cube, right? 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter, right? Then 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter, right? Right. Already 9th standard itself you have studied these things, and the new formula is something like this is the new formula, right? A volume of water flowing in 1 minute, right? Volume of water flowing in 1 minute. Water can flow in different kinds of solids, like a cylindrical pipe, a rectangular pipe, right? Rectangular cuboidal pipe, right? Cylindrical pipe. These two only we are having, right? Rectangular cuboidal pipe and the cylindrical pipe, right? Cylindrical pipe. So okay, volume of water flowing in 1 minute. Volume of water flowing in 1 minute in a pipe is nothing but what is the formula? Area of base of a solid. Area of base of a solid, right? Area of base of a solid into distance traveled or distance flow in 1 minute. Distance flow in 1 minute, right? So this is nothing but area of base of solid. Suppose the water is flowing in a cylindrical pipe, right? So what is the shape of a base of a cylindrical pipe? Circle, right? So area of circle into, right? They won't give you the distance, right? They won't give you the distance. Simply they will give that for this much time the water flow at the speed of this much time. These things only they will give in the question, right? See what I am saying that, listen, see, a water flowing for 30 minutes for 30 minutes, the speed of the water is nothing but 20 km per hour. So they will give the speed and the time only. They won't give the distance, right? So see that I told you that, see, before that, usually what is the formula of a volume of solid? Volume of any solid is equal to area of base into height, right? Area of base into height. How the formula came, just explaining. See, volume of any solid is equal to area of base into height of the solid, right? Height of the solid. Here we don't know that the height of the solid, because you see that some water is flowing in a pipe, right? Some water is flowing in a pipe. So we can't say that how much water is, what is the height of the, what is the length of water has been flowing. We can't find, right? We can't find. That is something but see, area of base is nothing but we can say that what is the shape of the base of the pipe, that is nothing but area of base, right? Into height is nothing but, right? Into height is nothing but distance flow, right? How much distance the water can flow, that is nothing but height of the that particular vessel, right? Particular vessel, pipe, right? Height of the pipe. But we don't know that height. They have given in terms of distance, right? Distance, how much distance the water is flowing, that is nothing but height of the pipe. So we don't know the distance also, but we can write the distance in terms of speed and time, right? Distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Same formula, volume of any solid is equal to area of base into height. When the water is flowing, there is no height. Instead of that, what is it? Distance, right? Distance flow in 1 minute, right? Volume of water flowing in 1 minute is nothing but area of base into distance flow in 1 minute. This distance flow in 1 minute is nothing but height, right? Distance flowing in 1 minute is nothing but height, right? So distance, we don't know the distance also, but we can write the distance in terms of speed into time, right? So we can easily find that volume of water flowing in some minute is nothing but area of base into speed into time. This is the formula, right? So by using this formula, now we are going to find whatever we are needed, right? So come to the question. See that this is very important concept, right? Important model sum, right? So we can see we are having two kinds of question paper for the public year, right? Basic question paper and standard question paper. We will see when we are going to the regular classes, right? That time I'm just explaining what is mean by basic question paper and what is mean by standard question paper, right? The standard question paper, we can expect the questions, standard questions, right? Standard question means this is the this concept, and then this model sums comes under the standard, right? Standard questions, right? Come to the question. Sum number 15. Water is flowing at the rate of 15 km per hour through a pipe of diameter 14 cm into a cuboidal pond, which is 50 meter long and 44 meter wide. By what level water rises in 2/3 hours of time, right? See, they are discussing about two things. See that the pipe, water is flowing in the pipe, right? What is the shape of the pipe? See, they have given the diameter. That means the pipe is nothing but cylindrical pipe, right? That means the pipe is nothing but cylindrical. Diameter is given. Suppose they are giving in terms of length into breadth. Suppose 20 meter by 30 meter means the pipe is nothing but it is in the form of what is that? Cuboidal pipe, right? Cuboidal pipe. Right here they have given the diameter, so surely the pipe is nothing but what is that? Cylindrical pipe. So first write the given cylindrical pipe, right? Cylindrical pipe, and one more thing is nothing but into a cuboidal pond, right? Cuboidal pond. The water is flowing in the cylindrical pipe, and it is filled in which one? Cuboidal pond, right? Cuboidal pond. So what is the shape of the pond? Cuboidal pond. So first fill the given. What are the givens we are having? Cylindrical pipe and a cuboidal pond. So in the cylindrical pipe, what are the things we are having? So it is in the diameter of a cylindrical pipe. Diameter is equal to 14 centimeter. So radius is nothing but 7 centimeter. So radius of the cylindrical pipe is nothing but 7 centimeter. And one more thing they have given. What is it? They have given the distance, right? Sorry, speed 15 kilometer per hour, right? Water is flowing at the rate of 15 km per hour. So speed is nothing but here. What is that? Speed is equal to 15 km per hour. 15 km per hour, right? See, water is flowing in the cylindrical pipe only, right? So for that, what are things we are needed? See that area of base into speed into time. Three things we are needed, right? Area of base. For finding the area of a base, what is the shape of the base here? What is the shape of the base here? Cylindrical pipe means area of circle. For that we need radius. So we are having radius. So no problem. Next, what we are needed? Speed and time. So we are having speed. Still what we are needed? Time is needed, right? Still what we are needed? Time is needed. So here time is nothing but, see by what level water rises. By what level water rise in 2/3 hours. 2/3 hours of time. 2/3 hours of time, right? 2/3 hours of time. So these things we have filled. Next, cuboidal pond. Further, what are things we are having, which is 50 meter long and 44 meter wide. So length of a cuboid is equal to 50 meter, right? And wide is nothing but breadth. Breadth is equal to 44 meter, right? For finding the volume, what we are needed? Height only. So h. That only we want to find. See that by what level water rises. By what level? So by what level water rises. That is nothing but height of the water. They ask you to find what is the height of the water when 2/3 hours of time the water can flow for 15 km per hour. Understood what I am asking? What we want to find? To find is nothing but height of the water in the cuboidal pond only we want to find. Height of the water. So to find is nothing but what we want to find? Height of the water, right? Height of the water rises, right? Height of the water or the water rises in the cuboidal pond. So I am just writing height of the water rises in 2/3 hours. That only we want to find, right? So how we are going to find? Say simple. Volume of water, right? So volume of water flows through a cylindrical pipe in 2/3 hours is equal to, right? Volume of water flows in 2/3 hours is equal to volume of cuboid, right? So how much water has been flowing for some hours, that is equal to volume of the cuboid. So both volumes should be equal. So here volume of cylindrical pipe, right? Volume of cylindrical pipe flowing at 2/3 hours is equal to volume of the cuboidal pond, right? Volume of cuboidal pond. So by just equating, we will get the solution. So before that, we want to check whether all the things are having same units or not, right? So first we want to check, see here, the cuboidal point they have given in terms of meters, right? But in the cylindrical pipe, they have given in terms of centimeter. First we can convert to the meters. So how we want to convert to meters? Centimeter to meter is nothing but centimeter to meter. Meter to centimeter, multiply by 100. Centimeter to meter is nothing but divide by 100, right? So 7 centimeter can be written as 7 divided by 100 meter. So therefore the radius of, right, therefore the radius of a cylindrical pipe is nothing but 7 by 100 meter. And still we want to check the speed also. The speed is nothing but 15 km per hour, right? 15 km per hour. But the distance, right? Speed is nothing but distance by time, right? 15 km is nothing but distance, and time is nothing but what is it? 1 hour. So for 1 hour it will travel 15 kilometer, but we are having in terms of meters. So first we want to convert in terms of kilometer to meter. So we have to convert the speed in terms of kilometer to meter, right? Kilometer to meter. Kilometer to meter is nothing but how much? Just multiplying by 1000, right? Multiplying by 1000. So it will become 15,000, right? 15,000 meter per hour, right? Meter per hour, right? Suppose we want to convert, if we want to convert meter per minute means we want to divide by 60. I have find it kilometer per hour. They have given kilometer per hour. I have converted meter per hour, right? I have converted kilometer to meter per hour, right? Suppose if we are needed per minute means, see here they have given the time in hours. So I am just keeping as it is. Suppose we are needed meter per minute means, right? Meter per minutes means we have to multiply 15 into 1000, right? 15 into 1000 and divided by 60. Why? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Converting hours to minutes means we want to divide by 60. Understood what I am, why we are changing, right? Why we are changing and how we are changing, first you have to understand. Here the time is nothing but hours, so I am just keeping the hours as it is. But see that the distance, right? The unit of that meter, the units is nothing but it is in the form of meters. So centimeter I just converted into meters, right? Centimeter I have converted into meters. But here the speed is nothing but it is in the form of kilometer. So I'm just converting to the meter. So it is nothing but 15 into 1000, 15,000 meter per hour. So per hour, right? Per hour, what is the speed? 15,000 meter per hour, right? Now we know all those things. Just substitute and simplify, we'll get the answer. Already we know the formula. What is the formula? Volume of cuboidal pond is equal to volume of water flows in a cylindrical pipe for 2/3 hours, right? So volume of cuboidal pond is equal to volume of water flowing in the pipe in 2/3 hours. So what is the formula of volume of cuboid? L into B into H. Length into breadth into height is equal to, already we know the formula, volume of water flowing in the pipe in 2/3 hours. It is nothing but area of base into speed into time. So area of base is nothing but what is the shape is? Pi r square, right? So write directly or write area of a base into speed into time and then shall I substitute? No problem. This is first sum, no. So first write the formula, area of base of a pipe, right? Area of base of pipe into speed into time, right? Into speed into time. So what is the, now we know the values, just substitute. What is the value of L? Length is nothing but 50 meter. 50 meter into, see before that, that's very very important. Whenever we are equating, right, both the units should be same. That is very very important. If you are not converting the same units, right, here centimeter, here meter, here kilometer and somewhat all are different units means you won't get the same answer, right? So that's why I'm just giving more importance there, right? First, while you are writing the given, that time itself you have to check whether both all the units are same or not. If the units are not same, first you can convert the units, right? Convert the units in the same unit, right? Then you can go for the simplification. The simplification is very very easy, right? So 50 into, what is the breadth? 44 meter, right? 44 meter into h. We don't know h, that only we are going to find. Keep h as it is equal to area of base of the pipe. What is the value of area of a base of a pipe? Pi r square, right? Pi r square into speed. Speed is in the email, already we know that. What is the speed? 15,000 meter per hour, right? So yeah, we are keeping the in terms of hours. So you can keep as it is, no problem. 15,000, right? 15,000 into time. What is the time? 2 by 3 hours. 2 divided by 3. 2 divided by 3. Now you can substitute the value of pi and r. We know the pi value also, we know radius also. Just substitute. So 50 into 44 into h is equal to 22 divided by 7 into, what is r square? R is in the limit 7 by 100. R square is in the limit 7 divided by 100 into 7 divided by 100 into 15,000, right? 15,000 into 2 divided by 3. First we will simplify. See that 00 will get cancelled. 0 0. Here 10 and 10 will get cancelled, right? Just keep the 10 as it is. Afterwards we will simplify. See that 7 multiple. 7 1 is 7, right? The denominator still 10 and 3 is there. 3 we can simplify. 3 table 1 times 3 5s are 15, right? 5 cancel. So here 10, 2 5s are 10, right? So 5 table 2 times 1 time. Then 2 will get cancelled. So what is the remaining? 50 into 44 into h is equal to 22, right? 22 into, what is the remaining in the numerator? 7. 22 into 7 and nothing is there, right? Nothing is there. Everything has been cancelled. Only we are having 22 and 7 alone in the numerator, right? 22 into 7. 22 into 7, right? So next, just keep the h alone the LHS. Remaining that 50 into 44, take it to the RHS. Multiply will become divide. So h is equal to 22 into 7 divided by 50 into 44. 50 into 44. So 22 table 1 times 2 times. It is equal to h is equal to 7 divided by 50 into 2, right? 50 into 2 is equal to 7 divided by 100. 7 divided by 100. H is equal to 0.07 meter, right? Because we have converted all the measurement in terms of meter. So therefore the height, right? How much height has been raised in the pond? 0.07 meter. In how many hours? 2 by 3 hours. Understood? Therefore the water will rise in 2 by 3 hours is nothing but 0.07 meter, right? We'll see one more example. Sum number 16. Water flows through a cylindrical pipe, right? Water flows through a cylindrical pipe. So what is the shape of the pipe? Cylindrical pipe. The itself given, right? Whose inner diameter is 7 centimeter at the rate of 6 km per hour. At the rate of 6 km. So they have given the radius of diameter of a cylindrical pipe. At the same time they have given the speed also. Rate of 6 km per hour, right? In an empty cylindrical tank. See that cylindrical pipe. Water is flowing through cylindrical pipe in cylindrical tank, right? So both the pipe and the tank, both are cylinder, right? Cylindrical pipe and cylindrical tank. The radius of whose base is 40 centimeter. The radius of whose base is 40 centimeter and the height is 4.9 meter. How long, right? How long will it take to fill the whole tank? How long will it take to fill the whole tank? That means here what they are asking, right? So it's nothing but volume of water flows through a cylindrical pipe is equal to volume of cylindrical tank, right? So directly we can equate. Here what they are asking, how long? That means they are asking the time, right? They are asking how much, in how many minutes or how many hours, right? In how many minutes or how many hours the water can, right? The water can fill the cylindrical tank when the speed is nothing but 6 km per hour. Understood? So here we want to find the time, right? How much time it is taken to fill that whole tank. It has been filled the whole tank. So simple, very very simple. Here what are the shapes? Cylindrical pipe, right? Cylindrical pipe, and one more shape is nothing but cylindrical tank, right? Cylindrical tank. Both are cylindrical tank. So fill the details. What are details we are having? Cylindrical pipe. For the cylindrical pipe, right? So water is flowing through cylindrical pipe. So for that what are things we are needed? Radius, speed and time, right? Here time only we want to find. So you can take its time, you can assume time is equal to x, or else you can keep time is equal to time itself, no problem, right? So okay, cylindrical pipe. For the cylindrical pipe, what are things we are having? Diameter of a cylindrical pipe is nothing but 7 centimeter, right? Diameter of a cylindrical pipe is nothing but 7 centimeter. So radius is nothing but what is it? 7 by 2 centimeter, right? 7 by 2 centimeter. If it is needed to convert to meter, then afterwards we will convert. First we will fill the detail, right? Whatever we are having in the question, first fill the detail. After that just compare, and then you want to convert to meter or whatever it may be, just convert, right? Okay. Here next one is nothing but time. The time is nothing but, sorry, speed of the water is nothing but 6 kilometer per hour, right? 6 kilometer per hour. 6 kilometer per hour. And we don't know time, right? Time of that only we want to find. Shall I take time is equal to x? That only we want to find. We can, shall I take time is equal to x, or shall I keep time is equal to time itself? No problem. Whatever it may be. Time is equal to, you can take it as time is equal to time itself, no problem. Next come to cylindrical tank, right? For the cylindrical tank, the radius of the hose whose base is nothing but radius is equal to 40 centimeter. Radius of the cylindrical tank is nothing but 40 centimeter. And the height is nothing but 4.9 meter. Height is equal to 4.9 meter, right? 4.9 meter. How long will it take, right? How long will it take? So for finding the volume of cylindrical tank, right? So we are needed pi r square h. We know radius and we know height, right? So directly we can find. So see that we here radius, different radius, right? So we can take R1, R2, right? R1 and R2, right? Now see the units, how the units will be centimeter, meter, kilometer, right? So better we can keep all the values, right? All the units is nothing but in terms of meter. So we convert in terms of meter, it will be very easy, right? So suppose if we are converting kilometer to meter, right? We want to multiply by 1000. And once again, if you want to convert to centimeter, once again we want to multiply by 100, right? It will take what is it? Too much. So shall I take it as what is it? Otherwise, we can convert everything in terms of centimeter. Whatever it may be, you will get the answer, a correct answer only, right? Whatever it may be, you will get a correct answer only. That's not a problem, right? Here now I am going to convert everything in terms of meter, right? So the radius is nothing but centimeter to meter, divide by 100, right? So 7 divided by 2 into 100 meter, right? 7 divided by 2 into 100 meter, right? So therefore radius is nothing but 7 by 200 meter. And height, right? Height of the cylindrical tank is nothing but, already it is in the form of meter only. But it is in the form of decimal, right? In the form of fraction. So 49 divided by 10 meter, right? 4.9 meter is equal to 49 divided by 10 meter. Then radius of the cylindrical tank, it is in the form of centimeter, convert to meter. So it is nothing but 40 divided by 100. 40 divided by 100 meter. 40 divided by 100 meter, right? So now everything, radius of the pipe, radius of a tank and height of the tank has been converted. Speed, it is in the form of kilometer per hour, right? Kilometer per hour. So better we can convert to the meter. So it is nothing but 6,000, 6 kilometer converting to meter, so multiplying by 1000. So 6,000 meter per hour, right? 6,000 meter per hour, right? Meter per hour. Per hour, how much meter it is? It is flowing 6,000 meter, right? So usually always just you can you can convert the time in minutes, right? You can convert the time in minutes, then only it will be very easy, right? Then only it will be very easy. If we are having that 120 minutes, we are having the solution means final. If we are getting the value, final value 120 minutes means, then easily it will be easy to convert in terms of hours, right? Suppose 44 minutes means it will be very easy. Suppose it is coming in terms of fraction, right? It will be difficult, right? So better you can convert in terms of minutes. So for 1 minute, right? It is for 1 hour. I'm just going to convert for 1 minute. For 1 minute, right? For 1 minute, the speed is nothing but for 1 speed for 1 minute, right? The water flow, speed of a water flow for 1 minute is nothing but 6,000 meter divided by 60. Now I am converting in terms of meter per minute, right? Meter per minute. Sorry. Speed is nothing but distance by time. Distance is nothing but I have converted in terms of meter, and time is nothing but dividing by 60, it will become minutes, right? Dividing by 60. Hour to minute is nothing but hour to minute is nothing but converting hour to minute, we want to divide by 60, right? Divide by 60. So simplify 0, 0 will get cancelled. 600. So how much? So speed for 1 minute is nothing but 100 meter per minute, right? 100 meter per minute. Speed is nothing but 100 meter per minute. Otherwise 6,000 divided by 60 you can keep as it is, no problem, right? 6,000 divided by 60 meter per minute, right? Meter per minute. That is very important. Now we have converted all those things, right? Now we can find what we want to find. We want to find the time, right? How much time it is taken to fill the whole tank, right? That only why we want to find. So here volume of water flows through a pipe, right? Volume of water flows through a pipe is equal to volume of cylindrical tank, right? So and this taking time is equal to x minutes, right? So volume of water flowing in the pipe in x minutes is equal to volume of cuboidal tank. So what is the formula of volume of water flowing in the pipe in x minutes is nothing but area of a base, right? Area of base of pipe is pipe, right? Into speed into time, right? Is equal to volume of cylindrical tank. What is the formula? Pi r square h, right? Pi r square h. Here radius of cylindrical tank is nothing but r2, so pi r2 square h, right? So is the formula. What is the shape of the, what is the area of the base of a pipe? Pi r square, right? Pi r1 square into speed, right, into time is equal to pi r2 square h, right? So now we know all the values, substitute and simplify, we'll get the answer. So pi value 22 by 7 into r1. What is the value of r1? 7 by 200, right? 7 divided by 200, r1 square. So 7 divided by 200, right? 7 divided by 200 into 7 divided by 200 into speed. What is the speed? It's nothing but 6000 divided by 60. 6000 divided by 60 into x is equal to pi value 22 by 7 into r2. What is r2? R2 is nothing but 40 divided by 100, right? R2 is nothing but 40 divided by 100. So 40 divided by 100 into 40 divided by 100. Why? R2 square, right? Into height of the cylindrical tank 49 divided by 10. 49 divided by 10. Now first simplify. So it is easy to simplify, right? 0 will get cancelled, right? 0 will get cancelled. 6 will get cancelled, right? 7 and the 7 will get cancelled. Better before simplifying 7, right? In the LHS also we are having 22 by 7. In the RHS also we are having 22 by 7, right? So you can directly cancel 22 by 7, 22 by 7, right? So still what are things we are having? 7 divided by, right? 7 into x divided by 200 into 2. 200 into 2 is equal to, here 0 will get cancelled, 0 will get cancelled, remaining 4 into 4 into, right? 4 into 49 divided by 1000, right? 100 into 10 or 1000, whatever it may be, right? See that, just keep the x alone in the LHS, remaining all you can take it to the RHS and then you simplify, you will get the answer. So x is equal to 4 into 49, right? Into 200 into 2, right? Into 200 into 2 divided by 7. 7 into 1000 or 7 into 1000 or 7 into 100 into 10, whatever may be, right? Now we will cancel. 7 1 is 7, 7 7s are 49, right? 0 will get cancelled, right? Still we are having, we will simplify 2 table 1 times 5 times. So what is the remaining we are having here? X is equal to 4 into 7 into 2 divided by 5. 4 4s are 16. 16 7s are 112. 112 into 2, 224 divided by 5. So x is equal to, simplify, 5 1 is 5, 5 4s are 20, 2 balance 24, 44 point. See, I did a small mistake, ma. Sorry. Here we are having 7, right? This 7 is not cancelled, right? Because 22 by 7 has been cancelled. Still we are having one more 7 into 7. So when we are taking to the RHS, still we are having one more 7, right? And this 7 and this 7 will get cancelled, right? So this value is wrong, right? Wait. Right? 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32. 32 divided by 5 minutes. Right? When we are simplifying, right, 1 times 6 times 0.4, 6.4. So x is equal to 6.4 minutes. Therefore, in how many minutes the water tank can fill? 6.4 minutes, right? Not only homework sums. Sum number 17. water is flowing at the rate of 15 km per hour through a pipe of diameter 14 centimeter. See that? So what is the shape of the pipe? Cylindrical pipe, right? Diameter is given, right? And speed is given. Into a rectangular tank. Rectangular tank means what is the shape of the tank? Cuboidal tank, which is 50 meter long, 44 meter wide. Find the time in which the level of water in the tank will rise by 21 centimeter. So they have given that rectangular cuboid length, breadth, at the same time height also given 21 centimeter, right? Height also given. What they ask you to find the time, right? Find the time. So first we see everything we have in terms of meter, right? Here this is meter, and we have to convert this height is nothing but in terms of meter. At the same time radius, right? Radius of pipe also we want to convert in terms of meter, right? Radius of pipe also we want to convert in terms of meter. And speed is nothing but kilometer per hour, so we want to convert meter per minute. That is nothing but 15,000 divided by 60, right? Meter per minute, multiplying by 1000 and dividing by 60, it is nothing but meter per minute. And just to equate, we'll get the time. What is the time we want to get? 120 minutes. 120 minutes. Understood? Sum number 18. Water in a canal 6 meter wide, 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. Right? So water in a canal 6 meter wide, 1.5 meter deep is flowing. So here, what is the shape of the pipe? Water is flowing, right? What is the shape of the pipe? Pipe is the canal, right? Canal. So what is the shape of the canal? Cuboidal canal. For the cuboidal canal, right? What is the base of the canal? Rectangle shape, right? What is the base of the canal? Rectangle. See for example, the canal is something in the village, right? In a village, like I will use a small word, right? Pathi kattuvaangala, thanni katra pathi, right? Thanni katra pathi irukkalama. Adu how it will be? A rectangle, right? Rectangle, one canal, right? A rectangular canal, right? ஒரு கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ட் பண்ணிப்போம். ஒரு வெரி குட் எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னா ditch, right? The water flows in a ditch is nothing but what is the shape of the ditch? How the ditch will be? It's nothing but rectangular, right? Rectangular base, right? Length, breadth we are having. The same thing only. So what is the shape of the base is nothing but length into breadth, right? So we are having that length into breadth or breadth into height, right? So we know that 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep, right? So from that we can find the area of the base, right? Is flowing with the speed of 10 km per hour. 10 km per hour. They have given distance also and time also they have given, right? Time also given. So see that the time is something they have given in terms of minutes. Speed is something in terms of kilometer per hour, right? So we have to convert the speed in terms of meter per minute, right? Meter per minute. So we will get the volume of water flows for 30 minutes is equal to area of base, that is breadth into height, right? Area of base, breadth into height into speed into time is equal to volume of water, right? Volume of how much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 cm of standing water is needed. How much area? So this is very important. So volume of water flows is equal to volume of water irrigated, right? Volume of water irrigated. So volume of water flows is equal to volume of water irrigated. So here volume of water irrigated is something but we don't know the shape. If we know the shape, we can find the volume of water, right? If we know the shape, right? Here we don't know